Welcome again. Today we are going to draw the monkey.
Wow. A monkey.
The monkey used to jump on the tree. Oh, wow.
Like swing.
Yeah. So what's the first letter of monkey?
M.
Yeah, M. M is for monkey.
M is for monkey.
Yeah. M is for monkey. Alright, so let's draw.
Yeah.
Let's start now.
M is for monkey.
Yeah, take a pen, take a pencil. We're going to start with a pencil to get to the sketch. So start from somewhere at the middle here.
M is for monkey.
Yeah. So from here, draw a straight line like this.
A tiny one.
And curve it like this.
It's like the princess.
And make another one.
It's like the princess crown.
Make it like this. There is going to be a hair at the top of the monkey.
It looks like.
Yeah, just go. Go down. Don't go up. You are going up. Don't go up. Just from there, you come, curve, and come down. Blend. Yeah, that's blend. Okay, that's fine. All right.
I can do it.
Alright, just go, you do it. See, you're the one that did this one. You did not go up. Let's start here. Just put your pen there. Look at what that is doing. Come down like this. Keep going down. Good. That's okay. Alright, so let's make a big circle here. Big circle. Stop here. Make another big circle here.
Somebody is like someone has a big idea.
Yeah, it's the monkey. Yeah. Then from here, let's curve it and come here and join this place. Yeah, that's it.
It's a big monkey ball.
Yeah, so let's make a big eye here, like an oval. Eye here. Oval. Another one. That's the two eyes. Then make a smaller one inside. A big is big. Make it big enough, but inside of the circle. And another one again.
I'm out of.
Good. Then from here, make a curve around the head and stop here.
Is it the eyebrows?
Yeah, the face. And another one from here and come to this other side.
It looks like a mask.
Yes. Then look from here. Join it. Join it to the body, to the face from here. Join it to the face. Good. And also from here, join it back to the face. Good. Then let's go. Let's draw a line here. And another one like this. And curve it. Make a happy face. Okay, so let's make the hand. Let's draw a hand. Make a hand. And another one here. Okay, and then from here you make another part of the hand again. And another one here. Good, and let's make the body. Let's draw a big circle like that. Is it coming?
That looks giant.
Yeah. Make it and join it to the upper at the shoulder here.
That shoulder, this one.
Yeah. Okay, so let's also make the leg from the side here. Draw out the leg like this. It's jumping up a bit. And another part of the leg. Okay. Okay, then let's make the other leg like this from here as well. Make another one to curve down like this. And curve it another second one. Okay, so let's make a circle around the leg. Circle. And on the hand also a circle.
Daddy looks like him is poo-poo.
Yeah, just clean it a bit.
Ow.
Start from here, no, start from this place. And go like this. Curve it the way you curve this leg. Curve it from here and come down. So you form the other. Okay, clean this one a little bit. Yeah. Make this one to come inside more. Make it to come inside more before you curve it. You hold your pen with your pencil. Okay, start from here and come here before you bend. It's okay. Alright, so then draw a circle around the leg to give it a hand. Okay, good, and do that for the hands as well. Awesome. Then from here draw a circle to go around the tummy and come back here. Is it monkey tummy? Good. Wow. Let's make the finger. Give it a finger. So just draw lines like this, and on the toe also draw lines. Awesome. That's fine.
Better than yours.
Yeah, yours is better than mine. All right. You're done? Good. Okay, so let's use...
Wait, I did not do this.
Yeah, do that as well. Awesome. That's wonderful. Which color are we using? Yellow. Good. So let's color the tummy here. Wow! Summer, your monkey is so happy. Your monkey is so happy. Wow!
Happy because there's no tigers.
Okay, because there is no tiger or lion to eat it.
Yeah.
Okay, that's awesome.
If
All right,
there's
so
a tiger, he'll be scared and he'll run away.
yeah, if there's tiger or lion, it will be scared and run away. That's good. All right, so we are going to write the alphabet for monkey. The first letter of monkey is
M.
M for monkey. Well, can you write the M?
Okay.
So M. Good. M for monkey.
Is it
M for monkey. All right, so we've come to the end of this video.
Subscribe to the channel.
Yeah, please subscribe to the channel if you have not done so. See you in another video. Bye.
Bye.